Through Terminal 5, travel safe portable hygiene kits, disposable face masks, pair of disposable gloves, travel safe portable hygiene kit. Look, 100 ml hand sanitizer. It's keeping with the airport liquid regulations, and it's got 10 disinfective alcohol wipes. How people make money, right? Fixing the outside. It's all the stuff. Travel safe, portable, antiviral, handy wipes, the superior FFP2 mask, sterile sanitizers. Wow. It's at £4. It's amazing, right? How industry is making money, destroying the planet.